Hello and welcome to Owen's Megastore. Today I'm going to be introducing you to what some would call the vampire of the food preparation world. You see, this machine absorbs the moisture out of your food. However, it leaves all the vitamins and all the goodness behind. And not only that, it prolongs its life beyond any natural comprehension. Allow me to introduce you. Klarstein Valle di Frutta Food Dehydrator. Let's unbox it. So here it is, the Klarstein Valle di Frutta Food Dehydrator. Let's go through what it comes with. So there are, there's the lid. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks. And the machine itself. The machine itself has a timer that you can set. So if you have a specific time frame for when you want to dehydrate and dry your food, that's perfect for that. As well as a temperature setting to get the food drying just right. So some foods are obviously going to need some higher temperatures, whereas others less high. So you can adjust it depending on the recipe or the thing you want to dry, the food that you want to dry. The fan below will blow the air up, allowing it to circulate throughout all of the racks. So no matter how much stuff you got in here, as long as it's not like, full to the brim, you'll be able to dry everything that needs to be dried. It's ideal for drying fruits, meats, vegetables, mushrooms, and herbs. You can dry almost anything in here, as long as it'll fit and you want it dried. And as I said, the great thing about drying is that it makes the food last a lot longer while preserving the nutrients and that healthy fibers that you want to keep. So all around, great for preparing some healthy snacks and good preserved food. With the world going crazy, there's absolutely nothing wrong with financing, some sort of survival techniques. And I think this is one really good survival technique. Preserving food this way, it's going to last a very long time. Depends on what it is, obviously, but still. Just to give you an idea of the scale of this machine, here is a banana for size, as you can see. Whoop. Fits in there. Let's try something a little smaller. Cherries. It fits in well. There's quite a lot of space in there. The size on the top is quite a lot bigger than the ones in the middle, but it's good to have some variance. The thinner stuff, you're going to put it around the middle. The larger stuff, I'd say, fit around the top. Klarstein Valle di Frutta Food Dehydrator. Enjoy.